Welcome back to the channel, Shanky Verma Dance. Hi, I'm back with my new series. From 15th of October all over the India, Navratri is going to be celebrated. And when it comes to Navratri, how we can forget the Dandiya and the Garba. So, I am going to bring it on the Dandiya and the Garba series both separately. Today, we are going to the Dandiya series where I'm going to teach you about 5 amazing moves from that where you can make multiples of choreography, and I'll show you one choreography today in this only video, how you're going to make it and all the things. So let's get started with the Dandiya series of the first video. Okay, now we're going to learn the first step that we're going to do in our today's video. The first move, for doing first move, what you're going to need to do, just do not go with your Dandiya stick first. Understand your legs and the body, okay? So what are you going to do? Take your right leg forward, okay? And the right leg back. Same you can go with the left leg also. Left leg forward and the left leg back. Along with this, what you're going to do is, when you're going to take your legs forward, you are going to look onto the upside. And when you take your right leg back, you look down. That's the only one thing. When you go forward, you look up. When you go back, you look down. Now, what you're going to go with the Dandiya sticks is, all the way, whenever you're going to give a spot, you're going to hit the Dandiya stick. Okay? So, that's the main concept. Spot, hit. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. So, we go for the right leg up, forward, and hit on the upside. And we take the right leg back, and we hit on the downside. But your transaction should be also smooth, the how you're going to take your Dandiya stick to the front and the back side. For that, what you're going to do, so you go like up, and now when you go down, along that you take your hands back, okay, and you just hit on the back side. So like this, 1 and 2. All the way, it's not only important you can go on the front side hit, even though you can go for the back one also. I have told you the front, you can go for the back one also. So are you going to go front, back, front, back. So at the back side, you're going to hit it. And you can go on the front side also. There is nothing like that, you can't go on the front side. Okay? Now, this was the step number 1. Now, let's go with the step number 2. Okay. For step number 2, what you're going to do is so simple. You're standing on your position, we are going to use the shuffle. If you don't know, I have taught the shuffle in the Bollywood series. The description has the link of that video. Let's go. So what you're going to do, you're going to shuffle the legs. Again, we are not going to use the Dandiya stick first. We're going to understand the legs. So what you're going to do, the left leg is out on the toe. Change right, left, right, left. Okay. So whichever the leg is going out, the opposite of that, you're going to give this spot. Well, up, down, up, down. Okay. So if you're going for first 2 counts, so we'll go like up, up. So we'll go like left leg out, up, right leg out, up on the left, left leg out, down, right leg out, down. So whenever you have given the spot, I have told you in the first step, spot is equal to Dandiya hits. Okay. So that we are going to follow it up. Okay. Let's go with that. 5, 6, 7, go. So we take the left leg out, up hit, right leg out, up hit, left leg out, down hit, right leg out, down hit. So whenever we are giving the spot, we are hitting the Dandiya stick. Okay, away from this, it's not important that you should go up, up, then down, down. You can mix match all of the things as you want to create variation. So you can go up, down, down, up. It's depend upon you. It's not like that. So this was the step number 2. So let's go with the step number 3. Now step number 3, what you're going to do? You're going to do on the same position only, but your legs direction, your legs way is going to be different. So we're going to use the bunny hops now. What to do bunny hops? Again, hold your Dandiya stick, need not to go. So you go like right and left, left and right. So what are you going? You're taking the hops with the one and after. Okay, so you go right, that follows with the left, left, that follows with the right. Okay, so go for the bunny hops. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, left. Now the bunny hops can be changed the direction. Yeah, you can change direction in all of the steps that we have learned earlier, 2 of them. Okay, so you can go front, back, 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 back. Okay, now when we have understood the legs, let's go to the Dandiya stick. One thing I want to tell you about this, whatever the legs we are following now, that we follow in the Garba same also. Only there are some things like exchange with the claps, and a few of the things are same. Let's go, 5, 6, 7, go. So we go right, down, hit, left, down, hit, right, up, hit, left, up, hit. Okay, now one thing is very, very important for all of us. We don't know how to hit the Dandiya stick. Suppose like if we get the 2 of the Dandiya stick, we think that, okay, now let's go with the Dandiya. But that's not the scenario. What is that we should know how gracefully we should hit the Dandiya stick. So what we did over here, we going to the right. So we kept the left Dandiya stick like this and hit with the right. And when you go to the left, you take your right Dandiya stick and hit with the left. So use the concept, whichever the side you are going, just go with that hand. So any of the move, if you're going right, you can go with the right hand and then hit. If you're going with the left, so take your right hand as a spot and left hand and a hit. So your stick hit would be really good. Okay, let's go for the last time. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left, right, left. So this was the step number 3. Let's go with the step number 4. The step number 4 is so simple. You're going to just going to walk. You feel yourself you're on a ramp. Okay, kidding. So what are you going to do? You're going to walk on the front side. So you'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, normal. 5, 6, 7, 8, back. 4 steps forward, 4 steps back. This can go on the right side even and on the left side. Now, the main important thing is this, what we are going to do with the walk. Now, you're going to hit the Dandiya stick one to another, okay, like randomly, alternate. After that, when you're going on the front side, you will go from down to the up. So as you're going with the 4 counts, with the 4 steps, so it will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Along this, okay, so now let's go once again. So we go from down to the up, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now when you go back, you go with the same reverse from up to the down, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go dig, 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 dig up, dig, 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 dig down. Okay, so this we go on the front and the back side. This can be followed on to the right as well as into the back, left as well as into the back. So this can be done on any of the area. So this was the step number 4. Let's begin with the step number 5. Step number 5, what we are going to do is so simple. We're going to use the dance technique called Shane turns. If you don't know, I have made the video on Shane turns. Check out the description. We'll have the playlist. Okay. Now what you're going to do, take your left leg out. Okay. Right leg over here. So you can show your back. Okay. We crossed and we come over here. And now again we are going to turn from the left side. So left leg back and turn. Same we'll go to the right side. So we'll go like right leg out, left leg cross and forward, and then we'll go from the right back onto the front side. Okay, so this we are going to follow onto the both of the side. If you want to learn Shane turns, how to do perfectly, check out the description or the I button, you'll have the playlist. Okay, now let's go. What you're going to do is so simple. First of all, how you need to take your sticks. Okay, so you're going to take it open. Okay, you can try more variations, but for the right this time I'm telling you this variation. So you're going to take your sticks like this. You go for the turn, and when you come for any of the side, if you are coming to the left side, so left is going to be like this, and this time you're going to hit with the right. Why? Because your right leg is going out at the last time. Okay, let's go. So we go from here, left, right leg up and drop and hit with the right. So it's very important to drop your right leg up and back so that both your hands and stick and legs can be coordinated together and it will look really, really good. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. So we go from left to the right, hit. There you go, right to the left, hit. So we do same thing onto the left side also. Take the left leg out and hit with the left hand and the stick. Let's go last time, the fifth step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this was the step number 5. This was all about all of the 5 Dandiya dance move from where you can make your choreography event and make this Navratri have a Dandiya fun night. Okay, away from that, I hope you have been loved the last one choreography which I have put on onto the song Maria, and you can check it out from the full video in the channel on the channel. I'll upload it. Okay, away from that, just go with your own variations, try your own directions, think about it. This is not the first video. I'll bring it more. This was the first video of this series. I'll try if I can bring it 5 of the video for this series. I'll try. 3 isn't in my mind, but let's see. My most of the try is to take at least 5 video for this series. I'll try, and I'll bring it on the Garba series too. So if you're going to have fun on this Navratri, check it out with Shanky Verma Dance. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and Dandiya. Oh hello.